What's up, guys, and how is everybody doing out there? If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping in, checking out the channel. Please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for returning. I'm doing a little, I don't know what you would call it, kind of, I guess, a review, because people have asked me about different places here and what's open, what's closed, where can we stay, what do you recommend? So right now I am standing outside the Orchid Inn Resort, open 24 hours. I'm going to kind of give you an idea where this is at. All right, this is one of those, this is a perfect place to stay. Right down there to the left is Phillies, to the right is Envy. You come down off of Fields Avenue, go by the Las Vegas, turn left here at this intersection, and boom, you're right here. Perfect location, walking distance to everything in the city here. Well, and what I mean city as far as Walking Street, Fields Avenue, restaurants. Just down the road on the right hand side before you get to A Santo Street is Tequila Reef. To me, this is one of those perfect places to stay. It's perfect, perfectly located. Let me kind of shoot inside here, do a quick walkthrough. Guys, I'm gonna just put this out there right now before I enter. No, people are gonna ask questions. How much? I will put the link to the place down below. If you're interested, contact them directly. I know they do offer cash discounts, but you need to contact them directly. I'm just putting the information out there. So once again, I'll put the link to the place down below. So anyways, you enter this I just seen was just recently open here. But even you can come in here, you can eat, you can sit down here, you can eat here, you can drink here. It's not just solely for you know, like people staying here. Really nice. They got look at multiple tables here. They got a pool table here. Very nice. Hello. welcome to Orchid Inn. Wow, look at that. That looks good. Birthday cake. Welcome to Orchid Inn.
Welcome.
Very friendly staff here. Really friendly. I'm just kind of walking through. How old is this place? I don't know. How long has it been here? I don't know. Here's your check-in area right here, where you would check in, get your keys. I apologize for the, you know, the stuff in the hallway. They are cleaning rooms out, so of course they are, you know, in the process of cleaning up rooms. But guys, this is a perfect location. To me, it's a perfect location. We're gonna I'm just gonna kind of shoot back here to the pool area. The pool area is really nice. They have areas tables you can sit out outside the pool. They have a restaurant, a bar here, so you can sit, grab your food, sit outside here. But yeah, it's really nice here. You see it. Pool is really, it's hot today, guys. I would love to jump in the pool right now. I would love to. You can see seating area out here. I'm just gonna roll through the back here. Look at that pool. Oh, it looks so refreshing. Today's the first day the sun's been out and it's been hot. But they got more dining area back here. They got a bar back here. And it comes back here to the back area. And that's part of the Orchid Inn too, the Jasmine Wing. That's the walk up there. I drive through this area many times. But there it is, guys. There's the Orchid Inn. And like I said, all the information, anything and everything you need, I will put the link down below. That way you can contact them directly, get exact prices. They even have a parking lot here, so if you stay here, they have a parking lot. Don't have to worry about parking out on the street. So let's check out some rooms. All right, guys, we're going to check out the Family Deluxe, or King Deluxe as they call it here. Nice big spacious room. Right as you enter, you have a closet here for your clothes. Hang your clothes up, and your safe is in there also. Looks like they provide a nice robe. As you enter to the left here, you have a table. Now this one has its own router in here, but they say the internet is very good here. So you got your own little table here. We'll go to the left here. Here's your CR, your bathroom. Nice big bathroom here. Sink, here's your shower area. Hot water, cold water. Very big, very spacious. And we'll come back out here in the room and show you the king size bed here. 2 end tables with lights. Air conditioning, of course. Ceiling fan. Another seating area right here. You have your own refrigerator with coffee maker. And your TV up there. And another table to sit at. So, what's that?
Luggage rack.
Oh, luggage rack. She said this is a luggage rack. So there it is, guys. There's the one room. Nice and big. Air conditioning, clean, smells clean. And I guess we'll head off to the next room. All right, now we've entered the Superior Deluxe room. I'm going to give you a little shot around the room here. You can see what you got. Once again, a luggage rack. Table to sit at, you know, like a little desk area. Little television. Once again, a cabinet for your clothes. Very big, very spacious. Kind of reminds me of the other room. You got your safe, you got some more shelving down there. Over here is your CR. Once again, nice big CR. Walk-in shower. Hot and cold water. Here is your bed. Looks like doesn't look like a queen, maybe a double. Between a double and a queen, I think. The sizes are funny here in the Philippines. Of course, you have your mirrors here. Refrigerator. Air conditioning up there. But it's a nice room. 2 end tables with lights. And a little sitting area here to sit and eat lunch or drink or just hang out. But there it is. Very nice room. All right, guys, this is your standard room. This is the standard room that you will get when you come here. Very nice. To me, all I need is a standard room. Give me a bed and air conditioning, good Wi-Fi, and I'm good to go. So this is your standard room. Right as you walk in, you have a sitting table right here. And bottled water. I think it comes with 2 bottled waters right off the bat. Here's your bed. Like I said, between a queen and a deluxe. Your end table here. Got a mirror over there. Cabinet spacing for your clothes. A little TV. Once again, air conditioning. A little safe. Little refrigerator. And then your CR is here to the left. CR is bathroom, guys. It's a little small, but it still does the job. It's a standard room. Here's your shower, stand-up shower. Once again, it looks like hot and cold water. So there it is. That's your standard room. You want prices? The link's down below to the hotel, and contact them. All right, guys, now we are back to the Wild Orchid Lagoon Resort, or in other words, the Wild Orchid, the big, beautiful one right here on A Santos Street. Same owners as the one up at the last one we came from. This is another great location here. It's right here on A Santos Street. Another great location. Right up there is Walking Street, so it's walking distance up to there. Well, you know what? I've gotten permission, and I'm going to show you some of the rooms. I've never showed any of the rooms here. So this will be the first time giving you an idea what the rooms look like. I have permission to come in here, film around, but I want to watch. I don't want to throw a bunch of people on camera inside a private establishment. Really nice in here. ATM machine over there that does work. Metro Bank. There's your check-in area. cocktail lounge here, another ATM bank or an ATM machine. That's great to have in your resort or where you're staying. Right here is your dining area to your right. Just going to kind of wander over this way, just show you around here. Here's their pool area. Once again, here's your dining area. I used to come in here and eat a steak pre-pandemic. It's really good. There's your pool area, really nice. Like I said, I wish I could jump in there right now. Oh, hang on a second. All right, let's continue our tour. I got detoured by a fellow American. Yeah, here we go. Here's a big old pool table here. Nice pool table. No rips or tears in it, no stains on it. Well, this is nice, guys. This pool area here. This is nice. And to your right, there's some seating area where you can sit outside, hang out. More area here on the right. You can sit, grab some food, hang out. Looks like they do parties here. Looks like they're actually getting ready for a happy 7th birthday party here. Really nice, huh? Come in, rent this area out, decorate it up. I'm sure these are outside vendors that come in here to do all this. Very nice. Then you have another area over here, another swimming area over here. More seating over there. There's a pool area there. Looks like a bar over there. Living the dream because you can, right? This is just really, really nice. She told me they're like 50%, easily 50% filled. A lot of times on the weekends they get a lot more people hanging out. Hello, good afternoon. Pool. Here's another area here. You can see it, very nice. Everybody's doing selfies. Hello.
Hi.
You never miss an opportunity to say hello to a beautiful woman, right? All right, guys, so there it is. There's our little tour around. Like I said, if you want any information, I sound like a broken record, right? You guys, the link will be down below. Everything you need to know. Contact them, let them know when you're coming, what date you're coming, asking for cash discounts, anything you want to ask them, just ask them. They'll let you know. So, all right, guys, with that being said, we're going to wrap this one up. Once again, if you haven't subscribed, please take the time to subscribe. We're almost at 95,000, almost there. So, can't do it without you guys. So, all right, guys, we'll talk to you later. All right, we're in the Deluxe Jacuzzi suite. I guess you call it a suite. Very nice, very clean. Let me show you. As you enter the room here, to your left is your closet for all your clothes. Looks like they have an extra pillow. There's your safe, some storage area. Very smooth. You're not fighting these. Looks like they have a robe available for you. Going to give you a little pan around here. It's for your luggage. You put your luggage box or your luggage bags up there. Looks like there's more storage down here. Little table to sit at. Plug-ins. TV. Small little refrigerator. A little hot water maker for your coffee. Here's what I like. Check out these mugs here. Those are big mugs. Sometimes you get into places and they're like tiny mugs. There's another area to sit at. I'm gonna sit and watch some TV. Nice air conditioner up there. Nice big fan. That looks like a king with 2 end tables. You got your wow mirror. And here's your bathroom, your CR. Of course, a little sink. But here's your tub, your jacuzzi tub. And there is a shower head up there. So you can use it for a shower. Then of course, your toilet, That's what I like right there. All right, we're at the poolside view now. Let me show you around here real quick. First enter. Once again, sliding doors for storage. Your safe is in here. Somewhere in here. There it is. To the right here is your CR. Now this has a walk-in shower. No tub, no jacuzzi. First floor. Still a nice big bathroom. To the left, sitting area. Little table there. Wow mirror. TV. Refrigerator. Hot water maker. Another area to sit. Queen, king. 2 end tables. Another wow mirror. Somebody's going to ask, what is a wow mirror? And then here's your balcony area here. There it is. Sitting outside. Balcony area. There's your view of the pool. Really nice, huh? Really nice view. God, I'm warm. I wish I could jump in that pool. And there's the bar over there, and there is a bartender there. So, there it is, guys. Once again, link down below. Link down below. All right, guys, this is the family room. This is a huge room. Let me show you here. Right as you walk in, I'm just gonna, boom. Big old bed, king size, queen size bed. 2 end tables. Dueling wow mirrors, right? Just pan around here. You can see how big it is. Big screen TV, place to put your luggage, and then storage down below. Another area to sit at the table here if you want to work on your computer or whatever. Coffee, cups, hot water maker, a little dining room table that sits 4. There's your storage area. I'm not going to open it up. You guys have seen what that looks like inside. There's your little refrigerator. Here's your bathroom. It's a walk-in shower. No tub, no jacuzzi. But wow, it's just, I mean, the bathroom's a bathroom. I mean, it's typical standard here to the others aside from the tub and the jacuzzi. But this is what makes it big here. This family room. I mean, it's just big. And she did tell me sometimes they will lay mattresses down on the floor here if a big family comes in here. But really nice. Then here's your balcony that goes outside. Your seating area out there that looks down into the pool. So there it is. Family room. Want more information? Links down below.